Alright guys, don't vlog and drive. But I'm out here on my way to Subway. You know, that's where I work. But the homie Tyler's out there trapping. So I gotta go support the homie. Gotta go trap with them. What's up, son?
Son?
What up?
What are you doing? What is this?
Kevin doesn't know yet.
I don't.
What are you doing, bro?
Wait a minute. Wait, what is it? What are you doing?
It's recording, G.
He's vlogging.
G. Oh shit, get the mayonnaise, G.
Any type of layout.
Yeah, he did it.
My man's did it.
Bro, what are you on?
Kevin's on like mistake 55 today.
Dude.
He didn't set a timer for the bread.
You guys are supposed to be setting me up for a good day tomorrow, and look at what you're doing.
You know,
You're just fucking up.
that's what I'm saying.
You're just fucking up. How do you not put the... Gee.
We'll pick that up later.
Oh my god. Bro, that's how big we're trapping. We got that fat stereo.
And then
Good
I'm gonna
shit.
take to the side and he's like, yeah, Kevin, you really have to keep up with Mike and show her the...
Bro, this is good shit.
Big flexor, key to success. Cherry Coke in the house. What the fuck you
Bro,
talking
look how
about?
wide angle this is.
Hey, look, fresh boy.
Okay.
Hey, hold on. Put that out.
Oh, that ugly ass. There's mayonnaise on it, G.
Fresh part. Fuck you talking about.
Okay.
Something.
Really.
Before and after. Honey cheese? Toasted?
It actually looks fire.
Is it okay if I toast it? I have to.
You kind of have to, because
I'm so sorry.
either you toast it or you warm up the meat before you put it on the bread.
Yeah, I have to heat up the meat in the microwave before. So once I put it on the sandwich, I'm like...
Plus, it'll taste better anyways, warmed up in the oven. Put it in that jar.
If you come here, your mom sucks dick.
Ocean.
Yeah.
He's a vlogger. He likes to eat. No, seriously.
I'm recording you eating, please.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Yeah, he is.
Young fat nigga rolled a fat blunt, you know me.
Swear to God. I'm Kevin. I roll a small blunt.
You heard that first, young skinny blunt gang.
What's up, guys? Gang out here. We eating this shit.
Bro, see how crazy that is?
I'm break.
Super
The next person that comes to Subway, your mom's a hoe. This is a time lapse of me eating my rotisserie chicken with fucking whatever else it has. It has roast beef. Rotisserie chicken and roast beef.
Damn, that angle's fucking...
Pepper jack cheese. What the fuck is going on? Alright, there we go. Pepper jack cheese.
Here, turn off the music.
Oh my god.
Copyright.
What?
Copyright.
Shout out Migos for the Fire album.
3, 2, 1, and it's blast off. Gunning for the top, homie, yeah, you better back off. Working every day, no, I can never slack off. Get a little horny, yeah, you know I had to whack off. Better back up before I get this smack up. Coming at my neck, Brody, why you gotta act tough? Money to the ceiling, and you know I got it stacked up. Bitches run the way on my dick, yeah, I'm racked up. Losing people every day because of different mindsets. This is all I ever wanted, yeah, I got my mindset. She hit my line, hey, baby, why you ain't been mine yet? Don't want that bitch, I told them.
Here, give me.
Uh-oh. Someone's mom's a hoe. Fuck you, bitch!
My God.
We saw gang in this bitch. I'll be on YouTube now?
Yeah, G.
Fuck
You
yeah,
finally made it.
Made it. Ma, I made it.
This is how we make the steak. Bro, Rife's just in the background smashing.
What's this? Go, bro. Best shit at Subway. Yeah, what's the price?
You know what time it is. Check that out, 4:05. The boys clocked out. We out this bitch. I've been here for 7 hours. 9 in the morning on a Sunday. That's not how I want to spend my day. But hey, money is money. And 7 o'clock on a Saturday isn't any better, especially when you get drunk and high on a Friday night, bro. You do not feel like waking up. But I wouldn't know because I don't do that shit.
Okay, so there's a problem. There's no bread. Well, there's 18 pieces of white bread, and the proofer and the oven are broken. So me and Tyler are about to leave because we don't want to be here when our bosses get here. So this is probably going to be the end of the vlog unless I do anything later. So if it is, peace out. Yo. What? What type of ending to a fucking vlog is that? What? I'm sorry, guys. Like, that's not what you guys want to see for an ending. So, let me explain the whole bread proofer thing. Well, my bad, just ate food. The bread in the proofer broke. Well, the proofer broke. Okay, that, like, makes moisture or some shit and, like, makes the bread, like, fat. So when we put it in the oven, it cooks. So that shit broke Sunday. I come into work Monday because I open because I don't go to school no more. And they're just, like, running around trying to fix that shit. And they fixed it eventually, but, like, they're dumb. But they fixed that shit. Me and Tyler hit the jets. I didn't do shit for the rest of the night. I went home. I worked on the Sky Zone vlog, which is up already. If you haven't seen it, go watch that shit. That shit's dope. But leave a like, subscribe. Peace out.